Hi, today for the new Redmi Note 11 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to change the lock screen wallpaper, we should first open the settings and then scroll to the wallpaper section. Here you will see the online wallpapers. Just to use them, be sure that you are connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or to the mobile data. Also, if you want to use the default wallpapers, you should just switch wallpaper to profile and tap here to wallpapers. After that, you'll see here all of the default wallpapers on your device, and by click on this plus on the right down corner, you will see the drive, photos, files, file manager, and the gallery. We can use one from this available albums. So to start the downloaded, for example, photo from the internet or photos which you just take before on your device camera. For example, let's use one from this default wallpapers, so I'll use this one. Okay, we can tap to preview, click apply and tap set as lock screen. Here you can turn on the wallpaper carousel. That means that all of the time when you look and unlock your screen, you'll see here the another wallpaper. So I just don't want to set the carousel on this wallpaper, so now let's just check it, and as you can see, we just successfully changed it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while the empty space with our finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and let's just use one from the online wallpapers. So just select one from this available folder with the wallpapers. I'll use, for example, the nature one, and here just select one from these wallpapers which you will like. So I'll use this one. Just tap apply, set as lock screen, agree or not agree. So lock screen wallpaper applied. Let's just lock the device, and as we can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.